back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, this is Natalie with Arts. I'm right now doing some pour paintings. This particular one will be all in blue. And make sure if you're new to the channel to subscribe and ring that little bell so you don't miss any uploads. So as you can see, there's actually a photograph on here that I took a long time ago. But I'm not interested in it anymore. It's not a very good quality anyway. So I'm going to pour on this one because I need another painting to enter the show. The figurative female, or no, the nude figurative painting show that I'm going to enter. So yeah. And I think I need to do some blue. I haven't done any blue in a while. So we got some sort of darker blue, medium blue, and a lighter blue. This is actually it's supposed to be a neon blue, but because it's Floetrol and it looks kind of whitish. I hope it's going to get a little darker. We got a little bit of white and we got some gold and silver mix there, which is kind of runny, so I hope it's going to work. I'm trying to use a pop bottle bottom, see if that's going to make a difference. And pouring it on there. I guess it's kind of a ring pour, I don't know. So let's get it started. Okay. So I'm not sure if I should start with the white or with the dark first. Let's do a little bit of a all at the same time in an alternate. So here we go. It's a lot on this side and nothing on this side. Okay, some lighter blue. I guess the floor is not totally even. There's always more on that side, it seems like it. Don't have a lot of white, so I'm gonna be a little stingy. And then this one. Okay, well, I had to go and take care of some business. And as you can see, it's flowing good this way. I think I have to
is in a stream. The ocean called for you and me. Still, I'm in this game, but without my closest friend. Fear, it's leaving now. I waited here, but nothing came. So I close my eyes, 'cause you reflected everything. It's shining through the light in you. It shines so true. The light in you. Free, feel free to run. Make it once again. And dreams turns into ashes. But here you are, still in my arms. It's shining through the light in you. It's shining through the light in you. It shines so true. The light in you.
So I told you guys this is for a show, but I haven't really told you how this is going to fit into a figurative painting show. So actually, I'm going to, this is the background, and I'm going to paint a figurative object on top of this. So if you want to know how this ends, how the finished artwork is going to look like, you need to watch the next video. Okay, you guys, so make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and watch the next video so you can see the whole painting, how it's made. In the next one.